The last name Dhawan holds great power in B-Town. Director David Dhawan is considered the king of comedy entertainers. His son Varun has carved out his own niche as an actor of substance in films. Now make way for Varun's niece, Anjani Dhawan. She's making her big screen debut in this week's generational comedy, Binny and Family.
Ashish bhai, let's start with you.
Senior, sorry.
With all respect,
Legend.
legend.
Yeah.
Bade log, like you said, bade log. So tell me, what was your first reaction when this script came to you? What made you instantly say yes to this?
These kind of stories generally appeal to me a lot. जैसे ये महीना मैंने बोला ना कि ये महीना मेरा फैमिली मंथ है. ये मेरी फैमिली रिलीज हुई Amazon पे, बिन्नी एंड फैमिली हो रही है. So it's a very, एक तो खुद भी पारिवारिक दिखता हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा.
We believe that. Yes, yes.
तो I think that was the reason. And पहली बार दादा पोती की कहानी आ रही है. So सब्जेक्ट अपने आप में बहुत नया था और आप बीच की कड़ी हैं जो दोनों को संभालते हैं. तो ये सारे फैक्टर्स जो थे और उसमें ह्यूमर की गुंजाइश है, विट की गुंजाइश है. मैं कॉमेडी शब्द का इस्तेमाल नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं विट एंड ह्यूमर का जानबूझ के इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि रियल लाइफ में हम विट एंड ह्यूमर के साथ ही जीते हैं. बट उसके साथ हम कभी कभी अपनी बात सलीके की कह भी देते हैं कि किसी को दुख भी ना पहुंचे और आपने हंसते खेलते बात कह भी दी. सो बिन्नी एंड फैमिली इसी का कंप्लीट पैकेज है.
करने दो जो करती है दुनिया, कहने दो जो कहती है दुनिया.
Where are you? Can you just chill out? 1 घंटे में आ जाऊंगी. I'm not a kid anymore.
अपना है स्वैग यही जो बोल.
सुनो, बाबा दादी यहाँ आ रहे हैं और 2 महीने यहीं रहेंगे, ये तय है.
Anjani, you're making your big screen theatrical debut. First of all, congratulations. Has the feeling sunk in yet? Are you nervous, excited?
Honestly, it's a mix of a lot of emotions. But now the excitement has taken over all the nervousness.
So, what made you say yes to this project? Were you waiting for a particular type of script for your debut and did this fit the bill?
I have tested for a lot of other parts that didn't work out. But with this film, the first time I heard the story, it just felt too close to home. Growing up, I've been very, very close to my Nana, and I've been the closest to him in life, and he passed away just a year before I heard the script. And when I heard the script, I was like, this is a sign. This is a film sent to me by him. That's what I truly believe, because it's not every day in the industry that a grandfather-granddaughter film is made. It's not the most common thing, and for it to come to me as my first film, it was a sign for me.
सर नियम है.
नियम अब तुम हमको बताएगा.
सर नाराज आए हो
पान फूक के बात करो. चुको पान. काम कीजिए, चलिए.
जीती रहो.
Why don't you sit and eat with us?
चाट मैं रूम में खा लूंगी.
ये सबके साथ मिल के बैठ के खाना चाहिए.
Ashish bhai, like you rightly said.
पहले मुझे ना अचानक कुछ दिखा उसमें.
हाँ जी.
बीच में देखो आई लिखा हुआ है बिन्नी में.
हाँ.
और नीचे ए है.
हाँ.
बहुत क्लीशे टाइप का आया दिमाग में कि आइए बिन्नी एंड फैमिली देखिए.
ये अभी
This is the generation.
These are called dad jokes, and you should refrain from making them.
And
That's all I would-
dad joke starts with BAD, not DAD.
yes.
Correct. These
Yes,
are
this is
bad
your
dad
joke.
jokes. Hold on.
बिनिया, कब से टॉयलेट में घुसी हो? बाहर निकलो.
Dadi has allowed my ripped jeans, like literally stitched them up.
Like we have on one hand a senior actor like Pankaj sir, on the other hand we have such young talent like Anjani. Actually, आप set पे you are bridging the gap between these two school of thoughts.
Absolutely.
What were they to work with, and especially her? How did she do?
यार ये
How
ना
did I?
मैं मतलब थकूंगा नहीं ये कहते कहते कि इस जनरेशन में एक ना शालिग्राम पत्थर मिला है आपको एक परफॉर्मेंस से रिलेटेड. You know, the way she carried the whole film on her shoulder without any hesitation, I would say one of the finest actor we are going to see in coming time.
She needs her space.
ऐसा नहीं है कि पापा नहीं समझते, लेकिन ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझाना कि बिन्नी needs her own space, ये पॉसिबल नहीं है.
Take your body left to right through the night. Move your body slowly, yeah.
This person has an impeccable comic timing. I have met him once,
Correct.
but I know he can be a lot of fun to be around. How was he to work with?
You know, this comic timing is not just on screen. He is a very funny person in like real life also. Like he is quite funny. Like he always like comes up with really funny lines. Even before the trailer launch, he was giving me such fun ideas, like such funny things on the phone. I was like laughing already. His
पर वो तूने बोला नहीं.
हाँ
I want you to.
चांस नहीं मिला बोलने का,
I know,
but
I know.
मेरे माइंड में था, मैंने
नहीं,
एकदम
I told,
rehearse करके
but
रखी
मैंने
थी।
वरुण को बोल दिया था। वरुण को पता है वो क्या लाइन थी? So Varun came for the trailer launch
was
ना,
too
तो I
fun.
was trying to tell her to कि मीडिया से सबसे पहले तुम ये बोलना कि we have been waiting for this film to get released, और 2-3 डेट्स आए थे ना बीच में, तो हमेशा ऐसा हो रहा है कि भेड़िया आया, आज फाइनली भेड़िया आया, तब जाके ट्रेलर लॉन्च हो रहा है।
And he thought of this in the moment, in a second, like I'm like, God, मेरा दिमाग उधर कभी जाता ही नहीं। So he's
I
very
told you
fun
to
and very
Varun.
witty, and I feel like if you write now, so
I
you'll be
know.
too good because you're so impromptu. That'll be very fun to see him write also.
I think he has a knack. I think from
He
the heart
does,
he has this kind of
100%,
personality.
100%.
विनी घर पर नहीं है जी।
क्या सोचेंगे वो?
तो सोचने दीजिए ना, वो जो भी सोचना चाहते हैं।
व्हाट? लड़की जात हो, कुछ अनहोनी हो गया तो किसको मुंह दिखाएंगे हम लोग?
मनाई तो करते आ रहे हैं आप आज तक। बाबा को ये अच्छा लगेगा, ये करो, बाबा को वो बुरा लगेगा, वो मत करो।
Anjali, coming from a family of actors, filmmakers, tell me, what was it like growing up as a Dhawan and being surrounded by such immense talent?
Honestly, it was nothing but school and tuition and my friends and family. That was my life. It's not like I was going on set and like reading scripts at the age of 12. No, none of that happened. The first set I was ever on was post school when I was 18, 19 years old on Coolie number 1. Never before that. Before that was school, tuition, dinner time pe, go down, play Chor Police, hang with your friends, come back, go to sleep.
I love Chor Police. उस समय खेलते
I
थे?
love Chor
अच्छा, मुझे ये
I
नहीं
would
पता
still
था
play
कि
Chor.
तुम कूली नंबर 1 में तुम एडी थी।
She was.
हाँ?
How do you think I was so pro and I knew everything?
नहीं,
on
तो
set?
मुझे पता है उसका एक और कारण समझ में आया है कि कल को ये बहुत बड़ी स्टार बनेगी इस फिल्म के बाद, तो लोग इससे पूछेंगे आपने स्ट्रगल किया, आप कभी प्लेटफॉर्म पे सोए? तो ये एक्चुअली कूली नंबर 1 के सेट पे सोई थी।
I must have taken platform पे बहुत naps लिए।
He's feeding you ideas for your next interview.
This is what I mean. The
I've struggled
one-liners
so
become-
much. I've slept on the platform.
Of Coolie number 1.
Coolie number 1. I was AD there.
Yeah.
It's true, I did. But this is what I meant by he's so impromptu. He comes up with like crazy lines.
You are so bloody scared of बाबा कि आप उनको कभी कुछ बोल ही नहीं पाएंगे।
I'm not scared of बाबा। बाबा से मुझे डर नहीं लगता है। मैं बाबा का लिहाज करता हूँ।
What is लिहाज?
But guys, finally, how would you sum up this whole experience of Binny and family? What memories are you taking away from this experience?
Lots of love, lots of learnings, new beginnings, and just a lot of excitement. My heart is full.
New beginnings, big beginning
Big,
actually.
big
It's
beginning.
a huge beginning.
Vinny's big beginning.
Big beginning.
It's
So
a very tongue twister.
Yeah, so for her and for us also, we came, we did this film. This film is now going to be viewed by so many people. So, but as an actor, I would say there was no baggage I came with. I only came with luggage and I left with luggage.
His dad jokes don't stop.
2 जनरेशन्स के बीच में जितना ज्यादा कम्युनिकेशन गैप होगा, उतना जनरेशन गैप बड़ा होगा। पिनी के म्यूजियम में ये टोपी वाले महापुरुष कौन है जी?
पापा ये डॉक्टर ड्रे हैं।
ये डॉक्टर हैं? वो किस चीज का डॉक्टर है जी?
रैपर है, एरम कोई।